Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can apply video effects to your text on CapCut PC. So go ahead and grab your text here and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in lightning or something, or fire. It's totally up to you. I'm just going to also change the font. Right click on your text and then select create compound clip, and then you are going to just go to effects and you're going to select the effects that you want. I'm just going to go to like the nature one. Maybe I might add in like the lightning cracks to it. So select it and add it, like apply it inside of your text. It won't show that much if the effect is like this. It's just probably going to like adjust it like that. Maybe you want like something else. You can try to find one that will be seen. Okay, this one isn't seen that much, so some doesn't work, but this one shows, as you can see, but just by a little bit, as you can see. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can do it. You're used to be able to, okay, that doesn't make sense, but you used to be able to like make it into a compound clip and then it will like work out, but like I don't know why it doesn't really work out now. And this is the kind of like only way. Maybe like I'm just gonna try to find another one that's like seen. Let's try this one. Okay, not this one. What about this? Okay, this one is like shown a lot, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!